Today I will guide you how to streak on Snapchat app. Before starting the video, let me explain first what streak means. So a streak on Snapchat is when two people snap each other for 3 or more consecutive days on the Snapchat. So the more snaps are sent to each other, the longer the streak will become. For example, if you and your friend wait to snap each other for 10 days, there will be a fire emoji with the number 10 beside it. So the number indicates how many days your streak is. So in order to start a streak, first you need to open the Snapchat application. First of all, you'll be required to ask permission with any of your friends if they want to start a streak. For that, you can even message them in a way as let's tap on the chat and let's ask for them, do you want to start a streak? Send them this message. So once you send them message, they might respond to your message and say yes. After they say yes, then you can easily send them snap and start a streak. The alternative way is simply let's go back and go to the camera and click a photo here and let's write a text here, streak, and add it to the story. So this is the alternative way that you can also add to a story asking a streak. So if they respond yes on your story, then you can start sending snaps to them. So remember that you will be required to send a photo or video snap for 3 consecutive days. Then in this way you can easily streak on Snapchat application. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.